don't take it. Take it, just don't leave. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding. Multiply.
Okay, Royals, we are continuing on with my Spring It On design series, and today we are going to be styling up my spring tree. But before I share that fabulous design with you, I wanted to share with you what it looked like for the Valentine's series. Although it is the first spring tree design, it will not be the last. Hey guys, so to give this beautiful tree a spring and Easter feel, we are going to add some of these items that I picked up over time. I shared with you all in a haul these cute little plaques from Hobby Lobby that I got off season, like 90% off. I picked up these fun little sparkly eggs in a variation of pastel colors from Walmart. That cute little bunny there. I just recently picked these up from Joann's. There was actually little floral rings, and they were buy one get one, so they ended up being like $3.99 each. Picked up 4 of those. Again, more of the eggs in the pastel colors from Hobby Lobby, off season, still 90% off. Little bunny ears. I don't know if I'll use all of the bunny stuff because I want it to be spring and Easter. I don't want it to be overkill on Easter, so I'm laying out everything so I can see exactly what I'm working with. Okay, and so then moving right along here, I went into my arsenal and pulled florals from last year because you guys know that I shop my home and I repurpose. So these are florals from last season, some that I purchased off season, hadn't used yet. So I have those. I have tons of these soft peaches and corals down here. Okay, moving right along, I have these beautiful, what are they called? I always forget the name of them, but I love what you can do with them. I picked these up from Ross, and there's 3 to a bunch. Picked up 2 sets of those. I got these beautiful peach floral picks from Hobby Lobby, of course, 50% off. And then these are my all-time fave. I got several bunches of those, maybe like 7 of them, but they are just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I have removed everything that was Valentine-esque, and I left what I'm considering the neutral items, the floral picks that were Christmas florals, you guys, and I got them on clearance as well from Michael's. The ribbon and the pink, the black and white ribbon and the pink ribbon will stay, and even I think I'm gonna leave the ornament. So let's just play around with it and see what we come up with. But here it is. I won't say before, this is transitional because I will put a clip as to what the entire Valentine looked like prior to me removing all Valentine, and then we will get into the styling of it all. So, cheers to an amazing design. Let's get into it. First up, you guys, I like to style my crown or my tree topper. I'm going to be using the same formula that I used for my styling of the Christmas season. I create my topper first because it will tell the story of what will take place throughout the entire design. So the items that I add in the top of the tree, I will allow to cascade and flow down throughout the entire look of the tree. This is a 7-foot Prince flock tree from King of Christmas. And I guess I could go ahead and leave that link because you guys, styling it for Christmas is no longer the norm. I will be doing seasonal styling probably year round. I absolutely love the look and feel of it. This is my first time doing the spring design, but I promise you it won't be the last. Now let's add this cute little guy to the top. He is the piece de resistance to the overall look. I wanted a crown, but I think he does just fine for the style that I'm going for. Now, you guys, these are my favorite florals. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. And you notice I opened them up and it gives almost a bursting effect of the florals. And so it covers more of the tree and it gives much more depth and dimension to your style. So this technique is a must. Just don't stick them in the tree as they are. Open them up, manipulate the branches to create an organic natural flow of the florals, and you will see how it completely just cascades and covers the entire space, and it's a beautiful overall look and feel. I'm doing the same zigzag or diamond pattern again that I use for styling my holiday trees. Manipulate those branches to give it a more natural look. And see how much space that covered and how it just created a beautiful garden effect. I absolutely love it, you guys. You'll see later in the video. When you see me dancing and laughing, that means your girl is pleased with what's taking place. So it's so much fun to create these looks. I have no definite look in mind. I just go with the flow. I got my music, I'm vibing, and I'm just allowing the pieces to create something beautiful right before my eyes and yours. I'm just using the same formula that I use with my overall styling technique, but you get a different beautiful look every time. Now I'm adding these cute little floral rings that I picked up from Joann's. They're small items, but they make a big impact. So as opposed to using ornaments that you would use for Christmas, I'm just using floral bushes and floral pieces to give me this beautiful spring look. And you guys, as you can tell, your girl is loving it. Now these picks are from the Dollar Tree. I had them last year and I just decided to pull them out. As you saw in the previous clip, that I just chopped my home, went through my own floral arsenal and just added to what I already have. This is a way not only to save money, but to create a collective, cohesive look over time. If you choose colors and themes that you love, you will never get tired of it. I can use all of these florals year after year for different looks. And you see how I'm manipulating the same technique here with these, with the Dollar Tree picks. I did it with the Hobby Lobby picks. Just pull them apart, manipulate the branches to create a more open, airy look and feel. And it also covers up more space in your tree. They act as perfect fillers for this look. Anywhere I see an opening, I am just adding florals to that space. Another victory dance because I am loving the look of this design so far. Now I'm going to add my finishing touches by bringing in these cute little eggs that I picked up from Walmart, and they just bring in that spring Easter vibe to the overall look, just nestling them within the tree to mimic, if you would, an ornament, but as opposed to an ornament, we're using egg. And I'm just stepping back to make sure that the eggs are evenly distributed throughout the tree so that it flows perfectly throughout the overall look. And now adding these cute little floral picks. I still don't know the name, but look at how perfectly I can manipulate them to bring a 3D effect to the look. And I'm just going to nestle them throughout the tree in various places.
You get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take.
So now that I've added those blue picks, I want to continue to create balance throughout the look of the tree. So I want to bring down some more of the blue, and I just simply pull from my arsenal some more of these beautiful blue picks and just sporadically placing them throughout the tree to again bring a cohesive look from the top down. So everywhere your eye looks, you'll see a balance of color, you'll see a balance of texture and design. And adding the finishing touches, you guys, I got these cute little egg picks that I'm just gonna sporadically stick throughout the tree.
Cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history.
And to finish off the look, I want to create the effect of an Easter egg hunt. So I'll take these individual eggs and just nestle them throughout the tree so that as you're looking throughout, as the children walk up to it, they'll find little treasures throughout the look of the tree. And my end result is a beautiful, romantic garden themed tree. I will tell you that since recording, I have moved the plaques up into the design of the tree, and you'll have to come back and see the overall finished look during the spring home tour. But I've added a few little members to the look as well as reposition those plaques. But I am still pleased with this design as it stands right now. It is absolutely beautiful.
Need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you.
Well, guys, I hope you found this design to be inspirational. And if it's your first time visiting, I want to welcome you to Royalty Designs with Travina and invite you to please hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my brand new boos and my tried and trues, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I want to invite you, if you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms, Royalty Designs with Travina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Set your notifications because there is so much more to share. I have an amazing collaboration coming on Sunday, and you don't want to miss it. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, and share. It helps the channel out tremendously. Until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, be royal, and have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.